Hi there, Ivan. How do we wash such a large vehicle? Now this one, from a distance, looks glossy, looks beautiful. It is. It's got a ceramic coating on it from McKee's 37. But we get up close, we see that it's actually covered in dust. It's got a nice thick layer of dust on it. That's because it's sitting in a gravel driveway on a gravel road with cars going by on a regular basis. So it gets dusty a lot. And it's 45 feet long, 13 feet tall. It's a big vehicle, but there's an easy way to wash it. Now, a lot of RV parks have watering restrictions. Now, it's not in an RV park, it's at the customer's home. But if you're in an RV park that has watering restrictions, we can also do that as well. First thing you need is some N-914. We have our bucket set up with 4 gallons of water and 2 ounces of N-914 Rinseless Wash. In the bucket, we have our wash media of choice. Mine is a sponge. Then from there, we're going to do a 2-step process. We're going to wash the upper half of the bus first, and then the lower half. We take our wash media, we climb our ladder, and we wash to a comfortable reach. So you don't want to overreach because you are on a ladder. And you also want to wash so that you're going this way on the ladder. The drips that go down will not go where you've dried before. Once you get down to a height where you can reach from the bottom to wash, put your sponge away, grab your ceramic detail spray. With the ceramic detail spray, we'll give it a couple quick passes. And using our Glacier 1100, these twist towels are great. We'll dry it off. From there, we move our ladder back. To the next section and start that over. The bottom half, once you've done the whole top half, I always come back and do the bottom half, and we'll do it the same way. And we won't bore you with doing the whole coach. We take our sponge, and we're applying the N-914 to the surface. We're not scrubbing, we're not rubbing hard, and always working from the top down. Then our ceramic detail spray. And we dry it off. Now, if you find this method too hard, we've got another way of doing it as well. Now, the other way of washing, when you have such a large vehicle, is a flag-tipped nylon brush. Make sure that you do get a flag-tipped nylon brush. Not a flag-tipped polyester or not just a nylon brush. It has to be flag-tipped. With the N-914, the way the polymers work, it will provide lubrication for the brush and it'll be safe for the surface. Want to get the excess liquid off, but you don't want it dry either. And again, we're not scrubbing, we're applying the N-914 to the surface. And you'll notice we're working in the shade. When you're working on a vehicle like this, you want to work in the shade. First of all, it's hot here in Arizona. Secondly, it's better for the paint, it's better for the products that you're using. Once we've done that, to make this an easier method, we don't want to dry it. Now the tap water here is not the greatest, so we fill the Nike sprayer with deionized water. And we're simply going to rinse this off. With the deionized water, once this dries, it will be as spotless as the rest. Finally, the last variation on the theme, you can wash with the brush, but still dry it off if you don't have access to deionized water. So we'll wash with the brush. I just noticed that window is open, so I won't go near it. And once we've washed with the brush, we'll grab our ladder. Our drying towel. And some ceramic detail spray. And dry it off. A nice thing about a vehicle like this, you can break it into sections. You don't have to do the whole thing the same day. If you're doing this at a leisurely pace for your own vehicle, you can have a refreshment between sections if you'd like. There we have it. So if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below. And thanks a lot for watching.